Hi viewers, in the previous chapter we learnt about limitations of GDP, composition of gross domestic product, contribution of different sectors in GDP of India, economic growth and development. And in this chapter we are going to learn about developmental path based on GDP and employment, factors supporting Indian development, gross national happiness, growth of GDP and economic policies, other policies in India, GDP growth of India. Developmental path based on GDP and employment. In the development path of India, it first undertook the policy of closed trade. Policy of closed trade. Closing a position refers to executing a security transaction that is the exact opposite of an open position. This was to give a thrust to domestic industries and reduce dependence on foreign products and companies. That means the government is giving more importance to domestic industries and they wanted to reduce the foreign products and companies. 5-year plan. A thrust was given to employment generation under the 5-year plan. This was to make up for a rising population and lacking jobs to absorb the increased workforce size. Rural development was also given importance in India. Poverty alleviation. It came as a corollary or rural development and a part of the development path of India. From the British rule, India inherited a poverty-stricken economy, which had destroyed its resource base completely. So, if we want to reduce this poverty problem in the country, the rural development is needed. Public sector. It was given significant importance. Private companies and industries were subject to strict regulations and standards. It was believed that the government was the sole protector of the people and would work towards social welfare. Rapid growth of GDP. India has sustained rapid growth of GDP for most of the last 2 decades, leading to rising per capita incomes and a reduction in absolute poverty. Per capita incomes have doubled in 12 years. There are some more emerging manufacturing giants in the Indian economy. Factors supporting Indian development. A fast growing population of working age. India has a strong legal system and many English language speakers. Wage costs are low in India. India's economy has successfully developed highly advanced and attractive clusters of businesses in the technology space. India has a strong legal system and many English language speakers. This has been a key to attracting inward investments from companies such as those specializing in information technology. Wage costs are low in India, and India has made strides in recent years in closing some of the productivity gap between her and other countries at later stages of development. India's economy has successfully developed highly advanced and attractive clusters of business in the technology space. For example, witness the rapid emergence of Bangalore as a hub for global software businesses. Gross national happiness. Gross national happiness is a philosophy that guides the government of Bhutan. It includes an index which is used to measure the collective happiness and well being of a population. Gross national happiness is instituted as the goal of the government of Bhutan in the Constitution of Bhutan enacted on 18th July 2008. Gross national happiness is more important than gross national product. Growth of GDP and economic policies. Many economic policies have been framed by the government of India since independence for increasing rate of economic growth and economic development. The important economic policies are agriculture policy, industry policy, new economic policy. Agriculture policy. Agricultural policy is the set of government decisions and actions relating to domestic agriculture and imports of foreign agricultural product. Government usually implement agricultural policies with the goal of achieving a specific outcome in the domestic agricultural product markets. Some agricultural policies are price policy, land reform policy, green revolution, irrigation policy, food policy, agricultural labor policy, and cooperative policy. Industrial policy. Industrial development is a very important aspect of any economy. It creates employment, promotes research and development, leads to modernization and ultimately makes the economy self-sufficient. In fact, industrial development even boosts other sectors of the economy like the agricultural sector and the service sector. Several industrial policies since 1948, industrial policy on large scale industries, example textile industry policy, sugar industry policy, price policy of industrial growth, small scale industrial policy and industrial labor policy. New economic policy. This new model of economic reforms is commonly known as the LPG or liberalization, privatization, and globalization model. These economic reforms had influenced the overall economic growth of the country in a significant manner. Liberalization, the removal of restrictions on something, typically an economic or political system. Privatization, the transfer of a business, industry, or service from public to private owners and control. Globalization, the process by which business or the organization develop international influence or start operating on an international scale. Apart from these policies, some other policies in India: trade policy, employment policy, currency and banking policy, fiscal and monetary policy, wage policy, population policy. Trade policy: import and export policy, international trade policy or domestic trade policy. Employment policy. It refers how all employees, regardless of job description or title, are expected to conduct themselves. Currency and banking policy. It is how a central bank or other agency governs the supply of money and interest rates in an economy. Fiscal and monetary policy. It is the policy adopted by the monetary authority of a country that controls either the interest rate payable on very short term borrowing. It aims to manipulate the money supply. Wage policy. It refers to legislation of government action undertaken to regulate the level or structure of wages or both for the purpose of achieving objectives of social and economic policy. Population policy. It is a set of measures taken by a government to modify the way its population is changing either by promoting large families or immigration to increase its size or by encouraging limitations of births to decrease it. GDP growth of India. India's economic growth story since the 1990s has been steady and stable despite fluctuations in recent quarters due to disruptions caused by two major structural reforms: demonetization and the goods and service tax. The World Bank projected a growth rate of 7.3% in the year 2018 to 19 and 7.5% 2019 to 2020. According to IMF World Bank Economic Outlook, GDP growth rate of India in 2018 is projected at 7.3% and India is fifth fastest growing nation of the world just behind Bangladesh. Recap: GDP is the value of goods and services produced within an economy in a financial year. Indian economy is classified into three sectors: agriculture, industry and service. Depreciation: the monetary value of an asset decreases over time due to use. Income: the amount of monetary or other returns either earned or unearned over a period of time. Gross value added, the measure of the value of goods and service produced in an area, industry or sector of an economy. GNP deflator, the change in GNP with a change in price levels. Economic indicator, an economic indicator is a statistical data used to determine the health of the economy. Thank you.